Hello. Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain you about our CMP 287 project. Our project is insect detection using AI testing for insect detection, where we use four different apps like Sigba, Anastrolist, Anastrolist, Flora and Fauna, Animal and all. And here is the automation script where which we use to run the automation for Sigba and Naturalist. Let me walk you through what happens when we run our tests. First, let me explain the code once. Like, this is the repository structure where this is our main folder, and the source and test we have different types of tests. And base class is the one where we have written all the test cases. So this is actually the base class, and let me talk about the dependencies which we use. Like, we use APM for automation. It also uses Selenium driver. Like. Internally, and then we use both of these to run our tests. So basically, explaining the code, first setup we have given the mobile details, and then the automation name, the package and the activity which we have to open, and then we are running the APM driver, APM server in the background locally. After that, like, we have written some helper functions like the click elements, and which also handles the exceptions by itself: enter text, get text, click by ID, and extract observer text, and then evaluating the results, and few other help functions. And this perform test is the main function which we which performs the actual automation. So we actually let me try running the demo and then explain the overall flow for you. Okay. Yeah, if you can see, like, this is my mobile, and then I've started the automation, and it automatically opens the mobile application and then finds for the elements here. Like, it is searching for skip for now. If you can see in the logs, on it, click the element, and then it will. These are the few pre-processing steps where it asks for the location permission, and then we have to give the location permission, and then comes a pop-up where we have to click on the like, read the details about the app, and then click on continue. After that, we'll try to click on this camera button here, and then we have to give the permission to take the images and record our video for the app. And then it also gives us a caution whether, like, this is not always accurate and all, so we have to click continue on this pop-up. And then after this, we have to the automation actually like, clicks the photos icon and then goes to WhatsApp images. Here we have the list of all the images, and we try to click. Yeah, here I'm continuing the flow where we click on the camera icon. You have to give the camera permission to the app to take pictures and record video. After this, we have to accept the caution pop-up. We click on continue here, and then now we try to click on the photos image in the bottom right, and then go to WhatsApp images folder here. Now try to select the first image in in this folder. You know, Once the image is processed, we'll get the prediction from the app what it does. So it detected it as stick insects. And here in the console we can see that test is passed, and we that is the expected output, stick images, I mean stick insects. And then we app also detected it correctly as stick insects. Yeah, here we run this automation for multiple cases. Now we'll click on this photos icon again and then try to select the second image in the folder. Yeah, here we have selected the second image, I mean the folder again, and we'll try to click the second image and then try to get the prediction. Here it says the output as hanging thieves, but here the expected output is a beetle but not hanging thieves. So this test case has failed for this image. Hmm. No, no. Yeah, we found the correct image. The third image was darkling beetles, and it also predicted as darkling beetles. So this test case has passed. Yeah, this automation keeps on running for the five different test cases, and then after the five test cases, we'll get the test accuracy, like how many have passed, how many have failed in the console. Sorry. Yeah, after the all the tests are successful, like we'll get the final test summary in the console where we have run overall 6 tests and 4 are passed and 6 have failed. And the overall accuracy is 66.66%. So we run this automation for this demo. We are only running it for 6 test cases, but we have ran it for more than 300 images for each and every app, and then calculated the accuracy and gave the exact values in the report. Thank you.